In this video, you will see how USB sharing made easy with FlexiHub. FlexiHub is a software to share USB devices over the network. At first, we will see how to share the USB software license between two computers. You are watching screen capture from two different computers at the moment. As you can see, software in both the computer asking for license. So I'm going to plug in the USB license key in my laptop. You can see the license is working in my laptop. And in my desktop, it still needs the license to run the software. So I'm going to show you how to transfer the license over the network from laptop to computer. The first step is to log into FlexiHub with your login details. So I'm logging in my laptop. Simultaneously, I will also log in my desktop computer. Once you successfully logged in, you will see the list of devices which you can share among remote and local computers. So here you can see my USB Ultra Pro. This is the USB license stick which I want to share with desktop computer. Since we logged in using same login details, you will find the same USB license stick in my desktop computer ready to connect. By clicking connect, you can notice the real-time status in both the computers during this communication. That's how USB license stick is shared with the desktop computer. This we can confirm by updating the license information. I cannot see the license in my laptop anymore. Let's check the license in my desktop computer. Here it goes. The license has been successfully shared from laptop to desktop via FlexiHub. Please note that the license will only work in one computer. This is license sharing but not copying or duplicating. As you can see, I cannot use the license in my laptop anymore. So once you are finished working, you can disconnect the USB license connection from desktop computer. This will activate the license automatically in my laptop. You can see here USB Ultra Pro is available again. And just to confirm, I will check the license via the software again. Here you can see the license is activated in the laptop. So this was about how to share the license via FlexiHub over the network. This can be quite useful if you have one hardware license to use among the team. And now we will see how we can access the camera from remote computer using FlexiHub. So currently, if you see in my desktop computer, there is no camera installed. Let's check out the camera in my laptop. Here you see a beautiful old travel from Portugal. Now we want to access this camera from laptop in my desktop. This can be done very flexibly using FlexiHub. That's the camera which I want to share with my desktop. Since we are already logged in, I can see my laptop camera in my desktop ready to connect. Just simply click on connect and you will notice connection will be made in few seconds. Here we go. The camera has been shared with my desktop. The camera from laptop got disconnected. And now if I check the camera in my desktop, I can see through my laptop camera in my desktop. Now when I disconnect the camera from desktop computer, I can connect the camera back to my laptop in a fraction of seconds. Now finally we will see how we can share the pen drives or hard drives conveniently via FlexiHub. You can see a USB disk plugged in my desktop computer. And this is by default named as mass storage in my FlexiHub list of devices. So let's connect it from my laptop. So we are accessing the USB disk in my laptop. As soon as the connection is successfully established, the USB drive from the desktop is disconnected and available in the laptop. So let's check it out. Here you can see that the USB drive is available. And when we open it, we see the same content which we noticed in the desktop computer. Now if I check my desktop, the USB drive is not available to access anymore. Let's make a dummy folder with some file in it. So I name this folder as FlexiHub. Just for an example, let us make the file inside it and name it as hello. Now I'm going to disconnect the USB drive in my laptop. And let's see the content of the drive in the desktop computer. So we notice the folder named FlexiHub with the same file inside it. That's how you can share USB or mass storage devices via FlexiHub. Now we will see another amazing feature of FlexiHub, which is locking and unlocking the devices. In case if you don't want any specific device to be shared over the network, just lock it like this. If I unlock it, it will be back again ready for connection. So these were the top 3 things you can do with FlexiHub. Thank you for watching. You can download your free trial from www.flexihub.com.